Welcome to our Firebase tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore the powerful features of Firebase, Google's comprehensive platform for building and scaling web and mobile applications. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at what we'll cover in this tutorial. Introduction to Firebase. What is Firebase? Benefits of using Firebase. Firebase product overview. Setting up Firebase. Creating a Firebase project. Configuring Firebase in your app. Introduction to Firebase console. Firebase Authentication. User authentication with Firebase. Integration with popular authentication providers. Securing your app with Firebase Authentication. Real-time database. Introduction to Firebase Realtime Database. Working with data models. Reading and writing data. Real-time updates and event listeners. Firestore. Introduction to Firestore. Document-based data modeling. Querying and filtering data. Real-time updates with Firestore. Firebase storage. Storing and retrieving files with Firebase storage. Image and file uploading. Managing file permissions and security rules. Firebase Cloud messaging. Sending push notifications to devices. Topics in device tokens. Customizing notifications. Firebase hosting. Continuous integration and deployment. Custom domains and SSL certificates. Deploying your app to Firebase hosting.